man, you don't know me. Man, you know me. I don't know me. You know me, man. I was doing Nigerian police is talking I am the man. Okay, you. What is the problem? Say your statement.
Officer, I was driving from a distance from 20 meters per second. 20 meters per second. And I came close to him. And I didn't even hit his car.
Wait. Adjacent to it.
Yes. Oh. And I didn't even hit him. And I was playing with Techno.
Pana, okay.
So he hit me and I hit him small.
Wait, you hit him and he hit you?
Just like that. And then we started arguing to fight.
Just like
that.
Oh yeah, young man, say your own.
Officer, don't mind what this man said here. Don't mind what he said here. I does not jam him.
If this man knows me, he will not be shouted like me anyhow. He will not be shouted at me anyhow.
Officer, I wanted to go and the rice. As I was driving in, my car was not steady. The car was closed like this. Close his car like this. Officer, you know that I even was knocking first.
Every force challenging you, we bow in the name of Jesus.
Get ready for 5 Nights of Glory 2017. From Monday the 16th to Friday the 20th of January 2017 at Salvation Ministries Home of Success.